Oh, fuck. Hey guys, I'm running. Going down the little trail. And I don't know, I got my headphones in. I'm going down the trail. And I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I should have put my freaking pants on. I should have put pants on, dude. Hey, I should have put pants on. Oh, fuck. My bad. It's content, you know. I'm going down this trail. I never been down it before, though. But I know where my street's at, though. My street is down that way. But it's kind of fun walking down this trail. And like, it's fun walking down trails. Man, my brother used to walk down trails. This was Ian when I videotaped it. But let me go back though. Let me go back to where I was at. But yeah, it was a long. Look at that trolley, dude. That trolley's a long way, dude. Long freaking way though. I'm going down this way. Fuck, dude. I mean, damn, my bad, people. My bad, folks. Hey, boom, I'm stuck. I'm gonna go down this way. My bad, folks. I'm gonna go down this way. Ow, sticks everywhere. But yeah, I'm going down this trail though. Yes, I hope it's fun too. Got legs to my streams. Yeah, it's fun out here. It's pretty day. Pretty fun day. You know, I gotta do something extra. Like follow down these damn woods. But yeah. Hey, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel, dude. Not playing. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. Let's get 4,000 likes, dude, on this video, dude. 4,000 freaking likes, bro. 4 likes on this video. I'm going down the woods. Not random fucking woods. Random fucking. Wait. Random? Oh, hell no, nigga. I mean, hell no, dude. Oh, I made it. I made it out the damn woods. Damn, there's a long ass woods. Oh, there's freaking dogs in there. Yeah, leave a like on leave a like, subscribe to the channel, get 4,000 likes on this damn video, you know. I gotta get some money from y'all. Send me some money. I need to buy my own place though. Alright, leave a like, subscribe. Bye. See y'all later.